So Maki'iki'i, this place Maki'iki'i that we're calling to, this is a very far and distant place. This is where the sun goes after it sets. Maki'iki'i. Second line. Elohe lohe.
Elohe lohe.
So Elohe lohe, you're calling to this place, Maki'i, this far distant place. And he's saying, listen to me, hear me. So let's take it from the top. Everybody ready? The next line is Aya I ele kamauna. Everybody? Aya I ele kamauna. So ele kamauna is referring to the darkness of the mountain, or as the sun goes down, the darkness is starting to appear and you can see it, the shadow changing on the mountain. So you're saying, there it is, the darkness of the mountain. So good. The next line after ele kamauna is Aya I ele kamoana.
Aya I kaele kamoana.
So we just spoke about ele kamauna. Now we're speaking ele kamoana. So what do you think that means? What can you visualize? The ocean, moana. And what is this ele? The darkness, yeah, the dark ocean. So when the sun goes down, the ocean becomes dark. So let's take it from the, after ele kamoana, the line is Ma kaya uli, ma kaya kea.
Mai kaya uli, mai kaya ea.
Oh, the dolphin's going on.
Happy. Oh, happy.
Okay. No, I love your enthusiasm. I'm into it.
Oh my God.
We can hear I'm into it. Okay. What was I saying now? Ma kaya uli, ma kaya kea. Okay, so again we are speaking about the ocean. Ma kaya uli, uli, the blue, the deep blue ocean. Ma kaya kea, what is the opposite of the deep blue ocean? The shallows, yeah? So ma kaya kea, where kind of where the white water is, the foam, the shallow area, the reef, the area where most of us spend most of our time. If we go, the next line is ki'e kahoku. Everybody say ki'e kahoku.
Ki'e kahoku.
Okay, ki'e kahoku. Now we're talking about star, a star or stars. So when the sun starts going down and the atmosphere starts getting darker, the land is getting darker, now you start seeing that little bit of twinkling. That's what ki'e is. That first twinkling of those stars. Ki'e kahoku. Okay, you got the visual? That's why we do them 1,000 times and then you remember. Okay, after ki'e kahoku is ha'a kamalama.
Ha'a kamalama.
Okay, so in this instance we are talking about light. So this chant has a lot of play on light and darkness and kind of the opposites, you know, the deep blue, the shallow, the mountain, the ocean. What's that? The duality. Very good, Pono. Thank you. So ha'a kamalama. Malama is the word for light. Lama. It's usually a reference to light. Malama is also care, but if you change some of your accents, then the whole definition changes. A lot of Hawaiian words, you have this thing called kauna, where one word can mean two different things, even more sometimes. So it all depends on the context that you speak it in, that you listen to it, and so forth. So the word ha'a is kind of a word for humility or for humbling. So if you can imagine, the light is humbling, it's receding, yeah? It's letting the darkness take over. Ha'a kamalama. Got the visual? E ka ohiki pai. Okay, everybody say e ka ohiki pai. So e ka ohiki, if you can imagine, you know the crab on the beach. So e ka ohiki, usually, you know, before the sun is going down or before sunrise, especially in the ocean, the animals are very active. That's your feeding time. They're all kind of going nuts. So ka ohiki is this crab, the ohiki crab going kind of nuts. It's going back and forth. It goes over there, and 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 finally, pai is when it sets. So we're kind of playing with words again here. We're using the symbolism of a ohiki crab lying down for the sun going into the ocean. Got the visual? Okay. So from the top, and we can kind of practice it in your head, and when the time is right, we'll start the chant, and we gotta add in the clap. Yeah, remember the cup clap? Okay. Pono, what is the term for that again?
Yeah.
No, the...
Oh, this?
Yeah, there's a word for this, yeah? There's like, I forget what it is. Anyway, we don't have to think about it. Let me know if you remember. Maybe Poema knows it. Okay, so from the top, everybody ready? And clap.
Makaya uli, makaya ke.